Hello there, today in this video I'm showing how to interface this world's smallest MAX 7219 based 8x8 LED matrix with Arduino. I got this from Soldered Electronics. Soldered Electronics is a company that makes interesting open source electronics modules like this LED matrix, colored E-link display, custom ESP boards, etc. You can find the link from the video description. I got this matrix in this beautiful purple box. Purple is their iconic color. Most of their PCBs comes in the purple color. Here is the matrix PCB. You can see the LEDs and the MAX 7219 IC. It uses 0201 SMD LEDs. Everything is labeled neatly on the PCB. It has an input and output. That is, we can connect multiple matrices together. First, let's solder the 5-pin male header to the PCB. Here we need an Arduino. You can use any Arduino. Now connect the VCC of matrix to the 5V of the Arduino, ground to ground, CS to pin 10, DN to pin 11 and clock to pin 13. After connecting this, let's connect the Arduino to the computer. Now let's download the 8x8 LED matrix library from their site. Now go to Sketch, then Include Library, then Add Zip Library, then select the file. I have already added that's why this message. Now we are ready to use the examples. That's it. So you can see the working. We can display custom characters and fonts using this display. You can find the product link from my video description. So that's all about today. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new from my video. If so, consider supporting me by liking, sharing and subscribing. That's all up to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.